In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Shopify About Us page. I'm going to give you a full tutorial on how to make it good, how to give your brand trust, the things you might want to include on it, and the things not to include. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing we actually want to go ahead and do is make sure that we're logged into our Shopify. And from here, you can go over to Online Store. And once you click that, it should bring a drop down up and you can go to this tab called Pages. Now from Pages, you can add a page and it's going to look something like this. So this is where we're going to actually write our About Us page. So first of all, in this bar here, I'm going to type in About Us. Now, sometimes people will also put a little thing next to it. So you could put something like Meet the Team, or instead you could put something like Our Story, whatever you want to do. I'm going to leave it as Our Story. So the first thing you want to do in an About Us page is actually put a heading here. So we can go down to the formatting and we'll want to add like a heading 2. And we want to put some kind of text there. Now, bear in mind that this title will already be at the top of the page, so you don't want to put this title twice. So I'm going to put, let's get to know each other. I'm going to double click on that. And I'm going to format it and I'm going to put it as heading 3. Now I can also double click on this here and I can change the font if I wanted to. But actually this is going to be more of a site-wide font. So it will change based upon your site. But other things I can do is I can underline it, I can bold it, I can italic it, whatever I want to do. So now we're going to put a bit of a story. So we say at EZL, we're committed to bringing you the highest quality tutorial videos so you can fix your problems as fast as possible. Here we go. Now, if it has this little red thing, you can right click it and you can just change it and go to a new line. I'm going to put, we work hard to produce as many high quality videos as possible to help you answer your questions. Want to know to do something? Comment it down below and we will teach you. So that you want to put a little brief intro like that. So now you could have like a meet the team section. Hi, I'm Earl, the founder of the channel. You could do that, for example. Another thing you could do is you could do like a our ethos sort of thing, or something like ethos/ethics. So you might want to put, we are a 100% eco-friendly brand, something like that. You could put our process, something like that. Or another thing people like to see a lot is like the location/store. So if you have a location or store, write that down. So put, we are based out of London, UK. There's some different things you put here. Now finally, if you want to, you can actually go ahead and press this generate text tab. What this is going to do is it's going to generate text based upon what you have written. So you can give it all of this text, put it in there, and it's going to generate it for you. Once you're done, you can click save and you're ready to go. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped you out. Thank you for watching.